It's wet. Why is it wet? That's what she said. Or what kinds of looks you want to see from me. Alright, and then since this is just Whoa. Do you want to work out with me later? No?
You can be Ryan Reynolds and I'd still be like, no.
Okay, your choice. That's so not blended. Hello, ladies and beans. Oh my god. Hello, my beautiful human beings. Welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, hello. My name is Brooke. I post beauty and lifestyle related content weekly and would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join this squad we've got here on YouTube. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys a quick beat on how I achieve this smoky halo eye, and if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. So just going into my Morphe 15N palette and taking that shade Va Va Voom and working that into my crease as my first transition shade. I'm taking the shade Cliché and working this all over my crease area. I want this to be one of the shadows that is the main focus of the look today, so I'm really going to build this up until I'm happy with the pigmentation of it. Then just going in with a little bit of that shade Scene and putting this very tightly throughout my crease and slightly onto the outer corner. And then just focusing this shade also on the inner corner to help build that halo cut crease. Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease and create that halo shape with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Going back in with that Cliché shade right here and putting that in between the concealer and the purple shade that I have on my lid right now. Then taking the shade Unique and spraying a brush with some MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to focus this in the center of the lid. And then slightly blending back over that area with that Cliché shade. I'm just using my finger because I feel like I get a little bit more control with it. So now going in and lining my eyes with some black liner. And then going in and putting on a quick coat of my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Next, I will be applying my Chic lashes in the style Chloe. So now I will be blending out that Cliché shade onto my lower waterline. To finish off the lips, I will be using my Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Grey Envy. Alright, so then this is just a bit too pink for me, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Lip Gloss in the shade Madeline. Alright, so this completes today's quick beat video. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me more so than you would think. It helps me so much just to get my videos out there. Also, feel free to leave comments letting me know what you thought down below, letting me know how your day went, or what kind of looks you would like to see from me in the future. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.